Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video will talk about the affiliate program of Etsy. So, the website is Etsy.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Etsy is one of the world's largest online marketplaces for handmade items, vintage products, crafts, jewelry, home decor, digital downloads, and personalized gifts. The platform is highly popular among creators, artists, crafters, and small businesses, making it a strong affiliate opportunity for lifestyle, do-it-yourself, and shopping-focused content creators. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all about them, and if you want to start using it for yourself, I would definitely recommend it. But that's not exactly why we are here. Rather, we are here to earn money from Etsy. How do we do that? We simply join the affiliate program or the creator program, and when we start bringing sales to them, it will help us in getting commission. So affiliates from which country can join the affiliate program, and to the consumers of which country can they promote them in order to receive commission? No restrictions found. So regardless of your country as an affiliate or the country of your consumer, so long as you're bringing valid sales to them from the acceptable region, then you'll be able to receive commission based on the sale amount. So let's learn more about the affiliate program. For that, you can come to the footer section of the website, and over here you can click on affiliates and creators, which will take you to the affiliate program page. Over here, you can see how exactly it works. You can join their affiliate program or the creator program. Affiliate program is meant for the bloggers, media, editorial publications. Basically, if you have a website, then you should go with the affiliate program. But if you have presence on social media accounts, then you want to go with the creative collective program. And if you scroll down, you can see level up your business on cash. So how much commission can you get? That will be 10% commission on the sale amount. That's very generous. How exactly it works? You earn cash, you can access, you sign up now. And if you scroll down, you can see frequently asked questions. What is Etsy? Who's eligible for Etsy affiliate program and creator collective program? How does Etsy's affiliate program and creator collective work? How do commission work? So you can read it. Anything that isn't covered in this video, you can read from these FAQs, or you could also reach out to the given email addresses. If you have a question about the affiliate program, you want to write an email at this email address. Otherwise, you can write an email at creatorco.etsy.com. So let's say you have a website and you want to apply to the affiliate program. In that case, simply click on apply here within the affiliate program section, which will take you to the affiliate sign up page. This is how it would look like. And in case if you're interested to apply to the creator collective program, in case if you have social media presence, you click on apply here within creator collective, which will take you to this page, and you will see the details accordingly. Now, regardless of the page you are on, you simply have to click on sign up, which will take you to the respective sign up page. And as I said, it doesn't matter. You will see some changes in here, but it's extremely important that you are clicking on sign up for the respective program. Let's say if you want to apply to the affiliate program, you must clicking on the sign up button on their affiliate sign up page. Same goes for the creator collective page. So for now, I have clicked on the sign up within creator collective, and that's why I see the name here. And since it's powered by Rakuten Advertising, that's why I see working in partnership with Rakuten Advertising. So how do you sign up? Simply enter the details in here. I'm going to enter my details. Now, all the information that I'm going to mention here, there will be dummy just for the demo purpose. In your case, ensure you're writing the details accurately so that they could review and they could give it the approval. So I started by writing my email address. Then I can write my first name followed by last name. You can also write your first name, last name, and email address that you have access to. And then you can also set the password. Thereafter, you can click on sign up. If you do that, you may get this error message: invalid email address or password, please try again. This could happen in case if you already have an account with Rakuten Advertising. So that's why when I tried to apply to their Creator Collective program, I got this error message. And even if you get it, don't you worry, simply click on login and enter your email address and password that you might have for your Rakuten Advertising affiliate account. But if you don't get an error message, let me show you how exactly it would look like. So I'm gonna use a different email address of mine, and I've set a new password here. I click on sign up. So you see, it accepted it this time. The reason being, I do not have Racket advertising account, or I have never used this email address for any of the Etsy other program like affiliate program or creator collective program. Once it accepts it, it will send an email to the given email address and show you log into that email account. And once you have logged into your given email account, you will see an email like this. Simply click on that email. There will be an activate login URL. You can click on this hyperlink and then it will activate your account and will take you further in the onboarding stage. As I was saying, no matter if you initiate the sign up with the affiliate account or the creator collective account, the same process will be showed and will be followed. So once you're here, once you have validated your email address, simply click on get started. It will then take you further. Over here, you will have an option to connect with any of these accounts. You could connect your Instagram account by clicking on add, and then it will ask you to connect Instagram account. So as you can see, it's loading for me. Assuming you already logged into the Instagram account, it might not even ask you to enter your Instagram credential, but in case if you are not, you can enter your Instagram credentials to see something like this. Over here, you can simply click on allow. What it will do, it will give permission for the linking to be done. Once the account has been linked, you would be able to see like this, authenticated, and you'll also see an option to remove it. Like this, you could add other social media accounts as well, but it's extremely important that you add at least one of these accounts. And if you want to add Snapchat and Weibo, you could also do that simply by clicking on add and complete the authentication. Once you have added at least one of your social media account where you intend to promote Etsy, you can simply click on next. It will take you to this page. Over here you can see where are you registered. This will help for payment setup, so you can select your country. I'm gonna go with my country of residence, which is India. You can also find your country of residence and select. Thereafter, choose your province or state. So I'm gonna choose mine as well. You can choose yours too. And then again, click on next. Are you an individual or part of a company? Choose it accordingly. Followed by that, next. Profile name, I'm gonna give the profile name, let's say A3 Marketing. So you can also choose your profile name that you want to give and then click on next. Primary website URL, if you want to give, you could. Otherwise, simply click on skip. Unique visitors per month, you can choose. So let's say I've got between 500 to 5,000. Page views is also between 500 to 5,000. So you can choose it accordingly. Then click on next. Thereafter, you have to choose which vertical category you identify with. So I am more into education side. So I'm going to go with education with family and lifestyle. You could choose the one that suits you the most. And then you can click on next. Over here, you can click on advertisers terms and condition, publisher membership agreement, affiliate network policies, and download membership agreement too. Ensure you read all these three documents carefully, followed by that tick mark all these three options, and then click on submit application. When you do that, your application to the Etsy affiliate or creator collective program team would go. They'll see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and based on that, they could give you the approval. It could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. So just be patient. How would you know that you have been approved? You'll be notified via an email. Once you receive the email, then what? Let's say you have been approved, then you should know the next action. So as a next action, you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use or get your tracking link. So once you have received the access or once you have been approved by Etsy creator or affiliate program, you can come to the respective page. Once again, we were looking at the page. You can go to the affiliate program page, simply click on apply here to the respective type. And once you're here, simply click on sign in, enter your credential, and then you will be taken to the respective dashboard. Over there, you would also be able to find the tracking links that you can utilize to promote Etsy. So how exactly can you promote them? There are many ways, still I'm gonna cover a few. One way is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you've been approved by them, you can promote them anywhere on your website. If you choose to promote them on blog and assuming you have been approved by them when you have applied to the affiliate program for your blog, you could maybe create blog posts on topics like gift guides, handmade product reviews, Etsy shop recommendations. So you could promote different gifts available at Etsy or maybe different products and put your tracking link with your blog post. So this way when people would read and if they like the product, they'll buy it, you get commission. If you go with the social media, assuming you have been approved for your social media page for their creator collective program. In that case, you can promote them maybe via Instagram Reels or TikTok handmade product showcases or even YouTube. So basically, whatever social media you have presence on, you might want to create reels or shorts and just talk about the products available at Etsy and put your tracking link with the video description or the reels or shorts description. It could work in your favor. Then you also got e-commerce, do-it-yourself website. So as an affiliate, if you have such a website available, that's awesome. You can promote Etsy on websites like this. The other kind of websites as well that as an affiliate you might have, which could be handmade products website or gift idea website. If you want to focus on those kind of websites too, you might want to have such website and ensure you have different products of Etsy featured on those websites. So these are some of the ways you could promote Etsy, assuming you have been approved by them. But there's a problem that most of the affiliates face is about the traffic. Even having the right place to promote Etsy, but if you don't know how to bring traffic to Etsy or to your online presence, you won't be able to convert the action to a conversion and you won't be able to receive the commission. So there are some top three traffic sources that I'm covering here for you. You might want to use Pinterest. So why Pinterest? Maybe you might want to have pins over there for do-it-yourself kind of products, crafts, wedding ideas, handmade products. So just have the pins available, but since you cannot directly promote Etsy there, you might want to have your website listed over there. So let's say there's a pin on Pinterest and you're simply telling people to get to your website to have more details. So this way you're bringing traffic from Pinterest, the interested traffic to your website or your social media page. And from there, they will be redirected to the Etsy website using your tracking link. And if they buy it, you get commission. Then you also got YouTube. You might want to create videos on gift guides and Etsy finds and basically different amazing products available on Etsy. And then again, put your tracking link in the description for the people to buy. You also got SEO blogs. In case if you are the one to promote them through blog, ensure whenever you're creating the blog post, you're keeping SEO in mind. You might want to focus on the keywords like best Etsy gifts and handmade home decor, these kind of keywords. So this could help you in getting the right traffic too. So let's say you started bringing sales to Etsy, where would you see your performance? So again, when you will receive the access to the dashboard, you can log into the dashboard on the homepage as well. There could be a quick bar that you could review. You could also go to the reporting page and you could check out your performance. But to receive the commission of all the sales that you have been bringing to Etsy, you must update your payment method too. So again, once you get to your dashboard, there will be a section. You can go to the account profile or the setting profile and you can update your payment method. The available payment methods are direct deposit, PayPal, and check. So you could go with any of these payment method. And once you bring sales to Etsy and they have approved the commission for it, you'll be able to receive it using any of these payment method. Assuming you have accumulated the minimum commission of $50. Now that's the requirement. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Etsy, or rather the creator collective program of Etsy. You sign up with them, you get the approval, start promoting them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you learn about the affiliate program of Etsy. And as an affiliate, if you want to grow, if you want to learn better, there are some amazing resources that I have created for you. I've created the exclusive resources as well as the free resources. You'll be able to find them in the video description. Get any that you prefer. In the meantime, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. From your end, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.